orgasmicpathways.com. So this one I guess would be under the fitness pathway of orgasmicpathways.com. Go there, choose your pathways. But I'm going to try something. I'm going to do something I have not done in a number of years. I don't know how many years, but probably 4, 5, 6 years at least. And that is a pull-up with this little weight here connected by a chain. I'm going to do as many pull-ups as I can. I'm going to guess I can do 4. I don't know. Chin-ups. No, skip the chin-ups. Pull-ups. Overhand, pronated grip. It's harder than the supinated grip because then you're also using your biceps. So this is, I've warmed up my shoulders a little bit with a couple of presses, or handstand holds, I should say, to warm my body up without wearing out my pulling muscles. So here it goes, man. I bet this looks really funny on camera, like I'm about to use the bathroom. I don't know. But here we go with an overhand grip. If I can do 4, I will be tickled. So here it goes, man. A little wider than shoulder width. No, skip that. I'll go even more difficult. Narrow grip. Here we go. Hands nearly touching. They are touching. My thumbs are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, I got another one in me. 5. Oh, and that's it. I got 5. Okay, just for a bonus, it's an extra 25 pounds, by the way. So that's plus 5 for the chain, so about 30 pounds extra, in addition to my body weight. Here's a neat little move. You can do a combo move to get some core work involved as well. So you do your pull-up or chin-up. This one will be a chin-up. Underhand supinated grip. Up like so, and just like this. And just keep going. Now at the gym, or anything with a high enough ceiling, you can extend your legs so that your legs are going straight up. I've got videos demonstrating that move as well. And it's a pretty cool move, but I'm just stoked I did at least 4. I did 5 pull-ups with 30 extra pounds strapped to my body with that chain link. High five. Work out. I've got dozens and dozens and dozens of free workouts you can follow along with me. None of them require any equipment. It's all calisthenics, any level, modifications built in to work around whatever you got going on. And they've all come with their disclaimers too. So check it out, orgasmicpathways.com. Mwah. Bye for now.